Let's get ready.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's about 5:30 here. Today is going to be my first vlog. Starting like fitness, what I do at the gym, my everyday makeup, and then other stuff that I do, like if I go out with my friends or my family. I'm gonna try to vlog as much as possible. I just don't really have time to sit down and actually make a video as much as I want to. But my phone's always in my hand, so I just decided I should start vlogging. So today's day one of the vlog, and I don't know if I am or I'm not going to go to the gym today. My best friend is like my personal trainer, kind of. She helps me work out the gym, mostly like heavy weights or other stuff like that, and then I would do treadmill. But today I did just take off my makeup. I am breaking out just a little bit. My bed's a mess, but yeah, we're gonna make a quick smoothie. That's gonna be my dinner for today. I kind of tried to like cut off a meal, so I have breakfast and then lunch and then dinner. But if I'm not really that hungry, I won't force myself to eat. I am trying to lose weight. Right now I weigh about, I think, I want to say like 168 or 165. I know that's, but I always like that for like ever. I always going up or down, up or down. One time I did weigh 150. I did for a good day. But I try to watch what I eat now. It's gonna be hard because I always want to go out to eat or with my friends or with my family, or you know, not everyone eats healthy, and it's okay. But you can always try to eat healthy, try to like portion your meals better. No way am I the healthiest person in the world, but I do ask for help when I need it. But yeah, I've been watching myself pretty good lately. So if you want to see this green shake that I'm gonna make, I found it on Pinterest. It's with like kale, peanut butter, and everything. Stay tuned. Here's like my pre-workout, which is body fat, promotes lean muscle, support leg performance, fruit punch flavored. I just put it right here. Beauty blender, blender bottle, and shake it. Start drinking that because we're gonna go to the gym and all that stuff.
Welcome to Monica's channel. Today, we're gonna freaking grind, bro. We're gonna grind. We're gonna get gains. We're gonna hit chest, tries. Monica's gonna do some cardio, something I don't do.
Want to let go, focus, fire gun. We need someone to lean on. Focus, fire gun. All we need is somebody to lean on. Focus, fire gun.
Okay, so that concludes my workout for today. This was a really quick workout, but I decided to. I ended up eating just the ramen noodles, like just the noodles, because my friend Lisa said that the noodles were just vegan. If you use the powder, it makes it worse. You could follow her on Instagram at vegan foodie Lisa. I'll list her down below. She makes awesome vegan foods for anyone who's vegan out there. And I added some shrimp in it, and then some spinach, and then some soy sauce. So it tastes pretty good. But yeah, that concludes my day today. I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I'm gonna wash my face. Stay tuned for an updated skincare video. I'm gonna talk about a little bit of NX and beauty, and my breakouts on my face. But other than that, yeah, I'm gonna shower, wash my face, and then clean my makeup brushes. Don't forget to clean your makeup brushes. It contains a lot of bacteria in them. But yeah, have a good night. Bye.